Now, we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating but also incredibly relevant in today's gem and jewelry market: the distinction between natural and synthetic gemstones. Natural gemstones are minerals or organic materials that have been formed in the earth over millions of years without any human intervention. These gems are created due to various geological processes, such as intense heat and pressure, mineral-rich solutions, or even biological processes in the case of organic gems like pearls and amber. The allure of natural gemstones lies in their uniqueness. No two natural gems are identical, each bearing its own set of inclusions, colors, and characteristics that tell a story of its journey from deep within the earth to the surface. On the other hand, synthetic gemstones, also known as lab-grown or man-made gems, are created in controlled laboratory environments using advanced technological processes. These processes either replicate the conditions under which natural gemstones form or use alternative methods to achieve the same crystalline structures. It's crucial to note that synthetic gemstones are not fake or imitation. They possess the same physical, chemical, and optical properties as their natural counterparts. The primary difference lies in their origin and, often, their lack of natural inclusions or imperfections. Why the distinction matters? Natural gemstones, due to their rarity and unique characteristics, often command higher prices than synthetic ones. Knowing the difference can significantly impact the valuation and pricing of a gemstone piece. Synthetic gemstones offer an ethical alternative to natural gems, especially when considering issues like conflict diamonds or the environmental impact of mining. Transparency is crucial. Consumers have the right to know the origin of their gemstones, whether they're purchasing a rare natural sapphire or a lab-grown ruby. Differentiating between natural and synthetic gemstones can be challenging, especially with advancements in gem-producing technologies. However, trained gemologists use a range of tools and techniques, from microscopes to spectroscopes, to identify telltale signs of a gem's origin. For instance, certain types of inclusions or growth patterns might be indicative of a synthetic origin. Conversely, some natural inclusions or unique characteristics can confirm a gem's natural origin. The world of gemstones is vast and varied, with both natural and synthetic gems offering their own set of advantages and allure. As we progress in this course, we'll delve deeper into the properties and characteristics of both, equipping you with the knowledge to appreciate, evaluate, and make informed decisions about gemstones. Remember, whether natural or synthetic, every gemstone carries its own sparkle and story. It's all about understanding, appreciating, and choosing what resonates with you.